Welcome to Smartlife Explained, your home for amazing facts explained in a simple and fun way.
Top 15 Amazing Science Facts that will blow your mind. Number 15. Have you ever heard of the anglerfish? The anglerfish lives deep in the ocean where sunlight cannot reach. To survive in the darkness, it uses a glowing lure on its head to attract prey. When curious fish swim closer, the anglerfish strikes with its sharp teeth. Some anglerfish live more than a kilometer below the ocean's surface. Despite its frightening appearance, the anglerfish is perfectly adapted to one of the harshest environments on Earth. It remains one of the ocean's strangest and most fascinating creatures. Number 14. Have you ever seen a seahorse? Seahorses are small fish that live in oceans around the world. Unlike most animals, it's the male seahorse that carries and gives birth to the babies. The female places her eggs into a special pouch on the male's belly. After several weeks, the male releases dozens or even hundreds of tiny seahorses into the water. Seahorses are also excellent at camouflage, helping them hide from predators. These unique fish are among the most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Number 13.
Have you ever wondered why the ocean is salty? It all starts with rain. As rain falls on land, it slowly breaks down rocks and carries tiny minerals into rivers. These rivers flow into the ocean, bringing dissolved salts with them. Over millions of years, more and more salt has accumulated in ocean water. When water evaporates, the salt stays behind. That's why the oceans are salty while rainwater remains fresh.
Number 12.
Have you ever heard of the Bermuda Triangle? It's a region of the Atlantic Ocean located between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico. For decades, stories claim that ships and airplanes mysteriously disappeared there. Some people blamed aliens, sea monsters, and strange magnetic forces, but scientists have found no evidence of anything supernatural. Most incidents can be explained by powerful storms, rough seas, navigation mistakes, and human error. Even today, the Bermuda Triangle remains one of the world's most famous mysteries.
Number 11.
Have you ever wondered how volcanoes erupt? Deep beneath the Earth's surface is hot, melted rock called magma. As magma rises, gases build up pressure inside the volcano. When the pressure becomes too strong, the volcano erupts. Hot lava, ash, and gases are released into the air and across the land. That's how volcanoes create some of the most powerful natural events on Earth.
Number 10. Have you ever heard of an axolotl? The axolotl is a rare amphibian found in Mexico. Unlike most salamanders, axolotls keep their juvenile features for their entire lives. They have feathery external gills that help them breathe underwater, but their most amazing ability is regeneration. An axolotl can regrow lost limbs, parts of its heart, spinal cord, and even parts of its brain. Because of this incredible superpower, scientists study axolotls to learn more about healing and regeneration. Number 9. Have you ever wondered how a butterfly is born? A butterfly's life begins as a tiny egg attached to a leaf. Soon the egg hatches into a caterpillar, also called a larva. The caterpillar spends most of its time eating and growing. When it's ready, it forms a chrysalis, where an incredible transformation begins. Inside, the caterpillar changes into a butterfly. Finally, the adult butterfly emerges, spreads its wings, and flies away. This amazing process is called metamorphosis. Number 8.
Have you ever wondered what happened to the dinosaurs? Around 66 million years ago, dinosaurs ruled the Earth. Then, a giant asteroid about 10 kilometers wide slammed into our planet. The impact caused massive fires, giant tsunamis, and earthquakes. Dust filled the atmosphere and blocked sunlight for months or even years. Plants began to die. Food became scarce, and many animals couldn't survive. About 75% of all species on Earth went extinct, including most dinosaurs. But some survived, and their descendants are still with us today as modern birds.
Number 7.
Have you ever wondered about Mars? Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and is often called the red planet because of its reddish surface. Scientists believe Mars once had rivers, lakes, and possibly even oceans billions of years ago. Today, Mars is cold, dry, and covered in dust. It is home to the largest volcano in the solar system, Olympus Mons, and a giant canyon called Valles Marineris. Because Mars is one of the most Earth-like planets, scientists continue to explore it with robotic missions. Who knows? One day humans may even walk on Mars.
Base, we have visual on the sunrise.
Number 6.
Have you ever wondered why sloths are so slow? Sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees. Their slow movement helps them conserve energy because their diet mainly consists of leaves, which provide very little nutrition. Moving slowly also helps sloths avoid predators, making them harder to spot in the forest. Some sloths sleep up to 15 hours a day. Despite their lazy appearance, sloths are excellent climbers and surprisingly good swimmers. These unique animals are perfectly adapted to life in the treetops.
Number 5.
Have you ever wondered what a black hole is? A black hole is a region in space where gravity is so strong that nothing can escape, not even light. Most black holes form when massive stars collapse at the end of their lives. Their gravity pulls in nearby gas, dust, and even stars. Scientists can't see black holes directly, but they can observe their effects on objects around them. That's why black holes remain one of the greatest mysteries in the universe.
Number 4.
Have you ever wondered what happened to Pluto? For many years, Pluto was considered the 9th planet in our solar system. But in 2006, scientists created a new definition of a planet. To qualify, an object must orbit the Sun, be nearly round, and clear its orbital neighborhood. Pluto meets the first two requirements, but not the third. As a result, Pluto was reclassified as a dwarf planet. Even today, Pluto remains one of the most fascinating objects in our solar system.
Number 3.
Have you ever heard of the oarfish? The oarfish is one of the longest bony fish in the world. It can grow over 10 meters, or about 36 feet long. Oarfish live deep in the ocean, making them very difficult to spot. Because of their long ribbon-like bodies, ancient sailors may have mistaken them for sea serpents. Some cultures believe oarfish appearances are linked to earthquakes, but scientists have found no proven connection. Today, the oarfish remains one of the ocean's most mysterious creatures.
Number 2. Have you ever heard of the ocean sunfish? The ocean sunfish, also called the mola mola, is the heaviest bony fish in the world. Some can weigh more than 2,000 kilograms. That's heavier than many cars. Despite their huge size, sunfish mainly eat jellyfish and other soft-bodied animals. They are often seen floating near the ocean's surface, which is how they got their name. Scientists believe they do this to warm up after diving into cold, deep waters. Today, the sunfish remains one of the strangest and most fascinating creatures in the ocean. Number 1.
Have you ever heard of the Megalodon? Megalodon was the largest shark that ever lived. Scientists believe it could grow up to 15 to 20 meters long, about 3 times the size of a modern great white shark. It ruled the oceans millions of years ago and hunted whales, seals, and other marine animals. But around 3.6 million years ago, the Megalodon disappeared. Scientists think changing oceans, cooling temperatures, and competition for food may have caused its extinction. Although it's gone, Megalodon remains one of the most fascinating predators in Earth's history.
Make sure to hit like if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe for more. Don't forget to turn on notifications